Hey guys, Amanda here with another exclusive home tours. We are in Pittsburg, California, and we are going to check out the brand new homes, Tivoli at Tuscany Meadows by Seeno Homes, right in Pittsburgh off of Buchanan Road. There are 8 floor plans here to choose from, ranging from 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2 to 3.5 bathrooms, and starting at 1,500 square feet, and that is starting. Some of the homes can go over 35 square feet in living space. You've got options for both 1-story and 2-story homes, so there's something for everyone. So although there are 8 floor plans to choose from, they currently just have 4 modeled right now, and for today's tour we are just going to be checking out 3 of them. So if you want me to come back, I can go check out the other one that I missed. But right now, we're just going to check out 3 of those floor plans. Let's kick things off with Residence 1. It's a cozy single-story home, a little over 1,500 square feet of living space, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. As soon as you enter, you'll find bedroom 1 off the entry, which it is staged as an office, but this is the bedroom with a standard closet. Down the hallway, it leads you to a full bathroom. And also the coat closet. To the left here is the bedroom number 2, also with the standard size closet. And the laundry room, which is conveniently located near that primary suite. This is the primary suite with a full walk-in closet, and these are the standard hangers, let's say. You can always put in a nice closet organizer. So it also features a spacious bathroom with dual vanities, a separate walk-in shower, and a soaking tub. On the opposite end of the home, or on the opposite side of the home, you've got a beautiful open concept kitchen, dining area, and family room, and it's perfect for entertaining or just even relaxing at home. So moving on to Residence 5, this home has 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and nearly 3,000 square feet of space across 2 stories. So downstairs includes a bedroom with its own walk-in closet and a full bathroom. Plus, this home has a large dining area, or you can use it for something else. It's a flex space. And there is a nook that is right inside this kitchen area. So across from the nook is a chef-styled kitchen that opens up to the family room and also that backyard. And what you're looking at right here is where you would enter from the garage. So upstairs, you are greeted by a spacious loft connecting the primary suite to 3 more bedrooms. So on the end here is the primary bedroom. That features a large bathroom and walk-in closet. So this is the primary suite closet, and it's staged with a closet organizer, but that is not usually standard. So this house is modeled with the loft, but there is also the option for it to have a bedroom. So this is another bedroom, and this bedroom has the walk-in closet. Right behind that bedroom is the hallway bathroom with dual vanities and a tub over shower. Sorry, a shower over tub. Right across from here is the laundry room. And bedroom with a standard closet. And the last bedroom with the standard closet. And last but not least, Residence 7. This is the largest model with 3,400 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and it even has a junior primary suite. So upon entry, you're welcomed by a formal living and dining room, and it also has storage tucked under the stairs. So right before the stairs is a walk-in pantry that leads right into this grand kitchen with the center island and a nook that flows right into that family room. So nearby is a half bath, perfect for guests. And the standout feature, the junior primary suite. It's complete with a private bath, water closet, and walk-in closet. It also has dual vanities. This is such a great feature if you are looking for extra space for an adult child who needs their own space, or if you are planning for this to be your forever home, you can at least have the downstairs room from when you're aging, or if you just have an older generation that's going to be living with you, this is a great feature for them. So upstairs opens up to a loft. And this loft features a really cute overlook, so you can kind of see who is entering the front door. So this loft connects a laundry room, a hall bathroom, and 3 additional bedrooms. Mind you that these homes are staged without the doors on the hinges, so this bathroom provides some convenience for if you have multiple people living in your home, that there is a door separating the shower and toilet so other people can use the sinks to get ready. This is the 3rd bedroom up here. So at the end of the hall, you have double doors here. They are not installed here because that's how they are staged, but you will have some double doors that open to this stunning primary suite with spa-like bath and even a walk-in closet. From cozy single-story homes to spacious two-story layouts, Tivoli at Tuscany Meadows has something for every lifestyle. If you're thinking about making Pittsburg your home or want to take a tour in person, I'd love to help you make that happen. So thanks for touring with me today, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.